Hello everyone. Surely you use a drill or plan to use it in your works. Here are 7 tricks that can help you when handling a drill, so enjoy the video. The first trick, you know that it is almost impossible to drill a round pipe. And you don't have a tag hole, so with a regular crepe tape you can easily drill through a round pipe. Here's how to drill at 90 degrees using this simple method. It sure annoys you to turn the nut by hand when you have a long thread. So with this trick with a screwdriver and the drill, you can do it very quickly. You must have happened to work on the roof, or somewhere where you can't use 2 hands, and you need to put screws somewhere. Here is a simple trick with a magnet to always have screws at hand. You need to screw the nut on a long thread, and the socket wrench short for that. Here's a trick on how to extend the socket wrench with the help of a plastic pipe. hates you to manually wind the straps. Here's a trick to do it quickly. Whenever you want to screw a screw into the chipboard, the head will not go in and stick out of it. Here's a trick to making a drill bit that makes a hole for a screw head. If you liked the video, click the like and subscribe, and follow for more videos like this.